is a species, baby. Johnny leave me follow Cynthia, and I don't know what to do. And he talk say I no do like the way Cynthia they do. Johnny give Uche belle. He talk say he want marry nene. Won't kem kedi peneme. Johnny Mo, I'm looking for my Johnny. Yeah. Where is my Johnny? Johnny Mo, do you know Johnny?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this look, this eye look. This is a wearable eye look that you can rock during the summer, you know, if you're going to events, parties, you know, or birthday party like myself. Okay, shut up Jody. But if you're going anywhere that you don't want to go over the top but you still want a little color in your life, you know what I'm saying, this is a nice look. Some beautiful hair. This is the hair that I got from Nadula Hair Company, guys. I'm loving this hair. This hair is so pretty. Look at that. It is so beautiful. I don't know, it's just hair, but guys, I'm loving this hair. And this look, guys, everything just came together very nicely. So beautiful. This is a closure, guys, and this is not about the hair, but guys, I just have to talk about it because it's so pretty.
Okay guys, what we're gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be using my LA Girls Pro concealer in the color Fawn to just prime my lids. Then I'm going to my Coty Airspun powder to just set all of that. I'm gonna be using this shade, and this is from my Morphe 35O palette. This brown is gonna be my transition shade. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm using this big old fluffy, sweet, sexy brush to just blend everything, as you can see. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and this is from this is the dupe for the MAC 221 brush. Then I'm gonna be using this blue. This is from my Morphe 35B palette. I noticed I didn't, like, from the get-go go in with the eyeshadow with the concealer because the eyeshadow is already pigmented, so I didn't want it to be super pigmented and overkill, so I just decided to just set it. So yeah. So I'm just blending with this brush, guys. I love this brush because it actually gets into my crease, and because my eyes are super small, not super small, my eyes are small, so it actually gets into my crease and blends the shadow. And I use the Ovani blending brush to just blend out everything. So I'm gonna be using my favorite brush, guys, of all time, and this is from my Real Techniques Flawless Base set. I love the detailer brush. It is excellent for adding or for cutting the crease and so forth. So I love it, and I also use it to do my eyebrows. When I clean up my brows, it is perfect. It is excellent. I love it. So I'm just using that now to just carve up my crease, because I don't know if this is called a cut crease. Maybe, yeah. But I just did it because I just wanted the eyeshadows to be as pigmented as possible. The shimmer eye colors, that is, to be as pigmented as possible. And since we added this blue, I just wanted to create that lid space and to ensure that everything is nice and tacky. So when I add the shimmer colors, it will pop. Yeah, so that's the reason why we went in with concealer and we cut our lid or cut our crease. And I'm just, you know, adding all of that. Let me not talk because it's not necessary. So now that we're finished with blending and all of that, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this golden shade, and this is coming from my masquerade palette. Yeah. My masquerade palette. And guys, look at that pigment. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I'm using my Celine brush. Yeah, my brush set, I always use them or use it. And I'm using this concealer brush. This brush is so sharp and so precise. I used to use it to do my brows until I realized that the detailer brush was perfect for that. But I also use this to do my brows. And I just added that, colors. Going in with this blue now, this navy blue. And I just wanted to deepen the right there, the end outer V part of my eyes. So I just went in with that on top. And I'm using this pencil brush. This brush is from the Urbani brush set, guys. Yes, this brush set is very, very excellent. Remember I told you that this brush set is what I got it for like $4 or $3, 3 Japanese yen or $3. Yeah, but guys, excellent. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go in with a blending brush from the same Urbani set. Just going to blend out everything, and you're gonna see how great this brush set or this blending brush is. And I'm just blending out everything, nice and blended. Mascara palette by Juvia's Place. Going in with this pink, and I'm going to be adding that now to my lower lid because I was feeling, colors. Nice, everything is nice and popping. So yeah, I was feeling this pink. I was feeling pink, blue, gold, everything. I just wanted to put everything on my eyes, but I'm like, Beauty, no. Why do you want to put so many colors in your eyes? But it worked. It worked. Yeah. And I loved how it turned out. I love the pops of colors and, going in with this blue now. The same blue that we use for the transition. I'm going to go in with that now because I wanted to create that nice blue purplish, so it's like rainbow on my eyes, but yeah. Then I went in with the same gold that we use on the mascara palette, and I'm just gonna add that at the, oh my gosh, careful guys, you don't want to, my eyes are sensitive though. And then I went in with the pink again to just blend out everything, so everything is nice and blended in. Yeah, pretty much. Now I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place gel liner in the color black, and I'm using the same brush now from Urbani brush set. This is the the liner brush. It's like I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm using the liner brush, and I'm using a tad bit of the black gel liner because I don't want to go in with too much, and then it's gonna be like, too much. So I just basically use a tad bit. I was just checking out where I wanted my liner to be. So yeah, guys, I kind of got out of focus. Sorry about that. So I'm going in with my this is my liquid liner. This is from Paso, a Japanese brand. I usually use my tattooed ink gel liquid liner. However, I just saw this one, so I'm using this one. Yeah, and I just created that line, and I know that it's super long, but when I do my brows, you'll see how it comes together, you know what I'm saying? But I won't do that on camera because that takes up a little bit, too much time. Yeah, so I'm just, doing that, creating the line. Yeah, and I wanted the line, but I didn't want, what do you say now? I didn't want it to be like super dramatic on my lids. But I still wanted the line to just define my eyes because my eyes were looking a little bit round because I added a pink, and because of the half cut crease, my eyes were looking a little bit round, and I didn't want it to look round. I wanted it to look like, yeah, snatched. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I'm just gonna use the gel liner now to just slightly, create that line. And just to define my eyes a bit, and yeah, pretty much. So I'll just stop the talking for now so you can enjoy the rest of the video.
So yes guys, this is my finished look. I hope you loved it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would definitely appreciate it. See you in the next video.
I know. I know. I know. I know. I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.